Students, myself JB and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class, BSc B.Ed, ZBC 5th semester. We will discuss the topic mineral resources and its conservation. Mineral resources. Minerals are naturally existing inorganic solid substance with definite physical and chemical properties. Minerals are non-renewable and depleting day by day. Many economics minerals include copper, gold, iron, lead and salt. Industries use minerals to make countless products. The use of minerals have increased throughout the world, but the proved reserves of the minerals as copper, lead, nickel and zinc may be depleted within 100 years. Deposits are unevenly distributed around the world. The needs for the minerals continue to influence international relations today. Many countries must import large amount of various minerals. US, for example, imports more than half of its chromium, cobalt, manganese, nickel, platinum, fluorine and tins. Mining destroy the scenic lands and habitats for animals and plants. It can also pollute air and water. This is where the term conservation gets its importance. Okay. Minerals conservation. The conservation of minerals can be done by many ways. They include use of minerals in planned and sustainable manners, use of alternate sources of energy like solar energy, hydroelectric energy, wind energy, etc. Walking on the path leading to sustainable development and using the mineral resources with great efficiency, use of renewable sources of energy and avoid the over exploitation of minerals. Use of biogas as a fuel for cooking instead of non-renewable sources of energy and reuse and recycle the minerals and their products. Use of alternate renewable substitutes and technology should be proved to use the low grade or probably profitable. Minerals should be trained with new methods of mining using latest technology and machines and takes minimum precautions. The causes little damage to the environment. Conservation policy emphasis should be on sustainable minings and more reliance should be placed on exploitation and utilization of such mineral resources which are renewable and are in plenty. Conclusions. The minerals are non-renewable resources and the minerals resources are the main capital for many countries. The renewable resources are depleting day by day due to the overusage, wastage and exploitation. Varied methods can be adopted to prevent these situations. Okay, thank you students.